Hello everyone. Today, I want to talk about my favorite kind of music. My favorite kind of music is pop music. I like pop songs because they are fun and easy to listen to. The melody is simple, and the rhythm makes me feel happy. When I listen to pop music, I feel relaxed after school. I listen to music every day. In the morning, I listen to one or two songs before I go to school. It helps me start my day with a good mood. In the afternoon, I sometimes listen to music while I do my homework. It helps me stay calm. I also love singing pop songs. I am not a perfect singer, but singing makes me feel confident. Sometimes I sing with my friends. We share our favorite songs and talk about our favorite singers. Pop music is very important to me. It brings me joy and gives me energy. Thank you for listening.